how to draw face. We have drawn this in 2 minutes. You're gonna see it in faster. So I show you how you can draw it easily without many details. It's just the main character from any romance anime. It doesn't matter which one. The first thing I'm gonna show you it's the eyes. The most important thing when you're drawing someone is eyes. Let me draw them. So you have to just let's draw this thing. Let's draw this thing. Okay, let's draw. I will make any other difference. Like let me do it. The straight line here. Make distance. Like take it as if it's 1 inch. Take this 1 inch there, and draw the same straight line. It's not hard. It's easy. You have to draw it. So just add some details here. Make it a little bit, just go a little bit under. Okay, let's draw the underline like this. Again, just straight line and go a little bit up. That's everything you have to do. And it's gonna be eyes. You can draw anything inside of this eye, like this. And the second one, like this. Okay, I have toward eyes. Now let me draw the Sharingan. I don't know, I just wanted to draw it like this. As you can see, it wasn't hard. Just let add some details here and there, like this, and a little add details here because they are tiled using of this Sharingans. That's it. You have to draw the eye. Let's draw eyebrows like this, straight line there. That's everything you have to do. You can make more details, but it's not that much matter. Okay, here you can make the lion. So we have finished with eyes. Yeah, we have done with them. It wasn't that hard. It was easy. The second part, the important thing, it's nose. You have to do the lion, not big, not a lot. So as we can see, you have used this straight line there to make distance. If you have done it, you are the best person. You are good. The second thing you have to do, it's draw the nose. It's not hard too. Again, this thing from this place you have to take and put the point here. That's everything. That's it. Here, it's same distance as there from the underside. That's it. How to draw the mouse? It's too easy. Just like this. Straight line. You can make it harder, you can make him smile or something like that, but I really like to draw this face every time I'm drawing it. You can draw this underline if you want. If you don't, you cannot. Doesn't matter. And the jaw. Here. Go here. Make point there. And the second point is there. And just connect them. Okay. I have to take a lot of space. I'm just drawing any face. Doesn't matter, like characters. Doesn't matter really, because everybody you're gonna draw like this. With this simple rules, the eyes, the most important thing, eyes. Anything else doesn't that matter, because you can make any shape, anything. You make circle face, doesn't matter if you get the good eyes. Pim pim piri piri pim pim pim. Here it's another one thing. You just make some shapes of everything. So I don't like this monkey Sharingans. I have to use this thing as we have there because they look some weird. Okay, right now he is again the main character from any romance. That was good. Some details there, and draw the face. Here you have to make the circle there and draw by them. That's everything you have to do. So I think you can get it. If you're not, doesn't matter.